Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to General, then Date and Time. This is where System Time lives. Once there, turn off Set Automatically. If you want manual control, you need to disable it first to edit fields. Make sure to check the current time zone shown, because the iPhone uses that to compute local time. If your device is managed by work profiles, you may not be able to change it. In that case, contact the administrator for permission. Now you decide whether to set the zone or set the clock manually. If you tap Time Zone, type a city name and pick the correct region. This keeps time accurate when traveling. Once you choose Manual Time, tap the hour and minute fields and scroll to the exact minute. Precision matters for alarms and scheduled apps. Also, make sure your display settings match your preference, like 24-hour time, because that affects how times appear across apps and notifications. Finish by exiting Settings and checking the Clock app, Calendar Events, and Alarms to confirm the new time took effect. If the time snaps back, toggle Set Automatically on then off to force a refresh, and make sure you didn't miss a device management restriction. When network-provided time conflicts, restart the iPhone and check for carrier settings updates. Those often push authoritative time. If problems persist, contact Apple support or your carrier, because system or network policies can override local changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.